is Author Nation. Can you imagine spending months or maybe years writing your book only to realize it doesn't really fit in the market? No one really knows where to shelve it, who it's for, why they should care. That would be heartbreaking, yet it happens. And this is why you want to know your genre really well. So, why do you need to know your genre? Why is it critical for success? First off, you want to understand your readers' expectations. Think of your book like a restaurant. People come in expecting a certain menu. You walk into an Italian restaurant and all you see is sushi on the menu. You'd be confused. Every genre has its conventions, its writing style, its tone, its structure. Readers expect self-help books to be actionable, memoirs to be thematic and emotional, business books to be strategic. Think about Brené Brown, right? She blends research and personal storytelling, which is perfect for self-help. If she wrote it like a textbook, she would not be as well known as she is today. The next reason is helping you position your book in the market. Knowing what sells helps create a book that stands out, but yet still fits into the market. Think about Atomic Habits, James Clear. That was not the first habits book, but he obviously read other books about habits. He took the ideas, the structure, the flow, the tone, and then he added something fresh. And he really thought about it, and his book became very successful. You also want to stand out. Number 3, stand out without reinventing the wheel. A lot of people say to me, but Melody, I want my book to be unique. It's so important. My ideas are unique. Yes, they are. Absolutely. I agree. But genre research helps you balance that originality with marketability. So, for example, memoirs like Educated, Tara Westover, they follow a strong transformational arc, and readers expect this. If she'd written it like a business book, it wouldn't have worked. So what can you do now? I'm going to give you 2 ideas. 1, read books in your niche, and don't just read them, analyze them. What structure do they follow? What tone do they use? Read the reviews. What do readers love? What do they hate? Number 2, know what readers expect. Research what's expected. What titles are dominating your genre? What makes them so popular? Research your genre. Start by Googling it and go from there. This is something AI could help you with if you use AI. So, genre research isn't about boxing yourself in. It's about giving your book the best chance to succeed. Skipping this step is like building a house without a blueprint. You wouldn't do that, and so don't do it with your book. Now, if you want a step-to-step guide to make this process easier, I've created a toolkit to help you understand your genre and analyze books like yours. That walks you through exactly how to do it, what to look for, where to find it, and how to apply it to your book. That will be in the description below. So if you're interested in that, go grab it. This is something that traditional publishers have been doing a long time, and it helps them ensure success for their book. And there's no reason you can't do that too. All right. Have a great day.